Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, I have this wrap on my head because I'm making my gel fast dry. Anyway, you guys, today, quick update. Today is December 21st and I am heading out to see baby D today. I have my first big scan today to see if baby is all good, everything is going well, and all that good stuff. You know, the thing about being pregnant after a miscarriage is that you are so paranoid. You have all these things going through your head. If you've ever been pregnant before, I think you know that the hardest part is the earliest stage when you're not feeling the baby kicks. So you don't know what is going on in your stomach. You don't know if everything is okay. You don't know if the baby is alive, the baby is healthy, and all that stuff. And then you don't get to go to the doctor appointment until like every month, really. Once every month. So today is my first big appointment to see baby. And yeah, that's where I'm heading out to right now. Tyler is off to school and I have an early afternoon appointment, so that's perfect timing. Baby's at work, however baby's going to meet me there because it's close to baby work where my doctor is, and babe never miss an appointment. Ooh, you guys can hear how much I'm breathing. Anyway, you guys, I'm staying positive though about it. I'm trying my hardest to stay positive about it. At the end of this video, of course, I'll come back and give you an update to let you guys know what is going on. And of course, I'll bring the camera and I'll vlog as much as I can so you guys can be on this journey with me. Anyway, let me show you guys a quick bump date. So that's baby D chilling and cooking, okay? And as of today, I am approximately 13 weeks and some days, or if you count it another way, I would have been 11 weeks and some days. You know, you have two ways of counting how you're pregnant, whether you count from you miss your first period or you count from your last period. So there's 2 weeks window, well, whichever way you count. However, I'll tell you guys more about that at the end of this video. Anyway, you guys, I am heading out right now because I have to catch the bus in about 10 minutes. That way I can take my time and I can be on time and I don't have to rush and all that good stuff. So let me go ahead and take this off of my hair. Okay, I'm gonna take this hair out tonight because my hair is poking out. So here is ready, mama is ready, and that's my outfit of the day. I know you guys missed my outfit of the day, so it's back. You guys been saying, oh Mel, where are the outfits of the day? So there you go with outfit of the day. I don't think you guys can see this properly, but I'm in my mama jeans because of course none of my jeans can fit because you guys know, of course, I had a small waist. So not to risk it all, I'm in my maternity jeans with Tyler. I didn't have to get any of this, but since I lost so much weight and I had changed up my wardrobe, of course I had to get these, and a high boot and a turkey neck. You guys, look who showed up. Say hello. Babe showed up and there's no one in here, so that means we're gonna get through fast. So let's go see baby D, what baby D is up to. I'll stretch my fingers out.
Why?
Because this is tight. Okay, now it's releasing.
Ok, 11, 8. Ok, ça va. Vous pouvez l'enlever.
Ça, c'est la tension?
Ouais.
You're normal.
Good.
If I wasn't, then that would be a problem.
Allez, on va se poser. 63.
How much pounds?
62. I don't know, like 130, 150.
What?
Yeah, like 150.
No.
Yeah,
Can't
you can
be.
check.
Allez, on va aller faire l'écho. Venez donc.
Look who is home. Say hi, Faves. He said he wanted to see the pictures of the baby that Mama went and saw today. Let Mama show you the picture of the baby. Ah, there it is. Look. That's a picture of the baby. Look. No, leave that one. Leave that one. Wait, wait, wait. Leave that one. That one was the last one. That's not the... Not this one. This one is the one we saw today. This one was the first one. Don't touch it with your wet hand, Tella. Your hand is wet. So why you have it in front of your face? Don't put it in front of your face. Look, see the baby here? He doesn't care for.
Where the baby going in?
Yeah, that's a baby too. Hi guys, you guys.
Mama.
I went to the doctor today and I couldn't film the type of scan that we were doing.
Water.
How do you ask for water, Tyler?
Mama.
How do you ask for water?
Pink. Pink. Mama.
Here.
Not peace, Mama. You have water.
Right. Get up. I couldn't film because of the type of scan that I was doing. I wasn't allowed to film, so I couldn't carry the camera, but that's okay. I'm still gonna give you guys a little update. Baby D is doing well, kicking and frisky, and couldn't even come for the doctor to do all the measurement and everything. But baby is healthy, baby is growing, baby is fine, baby looks beautiful. But our doctor that we saw today, we have two. One that we saw the first time and this one. The other one, our original doctor, is a male. The one that I saw today is a female. She knows the sex, you guys. Let me give you guys a story. So we were there and she was doing all her measurements and stuff like that. And she said, oh guys, by the way, I can clearly see what sex the baby is. Do you guys want me to tell you? I was like, no, I can't take it. I wasn't ready. So the reason for it is because originally we have, wait, your food, you're gonna miss, you're gonna hit over your plate. Put your plate over there. Put it over there. Originally we have an appointment to find out the sex on the 27th of January. So we really conditioned our mind for that time and we were waiting for it on that time, which is our original doctor is going to do it. So we said no, we wanted to wait until the 22nd of January come up. But she said that she's 90% sure what the sex is. But in my head, just like my instinct was telling me it's a boy.
Mama.
Yes.
And then you do it down so I can see them here. Here, and you do that down.
Put the screen down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, like that. Yeah.
Okay.
So I can.
So what do you want to say?
This at school.
Turn around when you're talking to Fizz.
At school.
You're fine at school?
Yeah.
Very good. What else you want to tell Faves? That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. So you guys, like I was saying, just like my instinct was telling me all along that it was a boy, I think she confirmed by her actions today that it's a boy, because she was this quick to say she know what it is and it was evident and stuff like that. So I think she confirmed that it's a boy for me. There's no mosquito in winter.
I said I want Skittles.
You want Skittles?
Yeah.
When you finish eat your dinner, you get Skittles. Go and eat some more dinner and then you get Skittles. You don't eat your dinner, no Skittles. Go and have your dinner.
I'm full.
No Skittles until you eat some more.
Mama. I want some.
Okay, when Papa come, you get Skittles, okay? See Juice up there, so beside Alexa. So like I was saying, by her actions she confirmed that it's a boy for me. But as you guys know, in my heart I know it's a boy, but deep down I want a girl. But either ways I'll be satisfied, because if it's a boy then Tyler will be over the moon and it will be perfect for Ty. And if it's a girl, then Mama will just get her wish. But either ways, we just need a healthy baby, and that will be fine. So she said that she know what it is, and she wrote it in my file and send it to my other doctor, which I'll see on the 22nd. So she said that when my doctor tell me what it is on the 22nd, she will see if she was right. Remind you know that I'm just 12 weeks, just finished first trimester, heading in to the second trimester. She confirmed today that I'm 12 weeks and 3 days. So I am 12 weeks and 3 days, just stepped into second trimester. So how I'm feeling right now, I'm super tired as usual, always want to sleep. I don't feel so weak like I used to in the beginning. Yes, Stella, I still don't have much appetite to eat anything. Most things I eat I vomit. Go put it in the bin. Go and put it in the bin. Go and put it in the bin. Okay, put it in the bin. Yeah, so that's basically where I'm at right now. So yeah, Tyler says he wanted a boy. Comment down below and let us know if you are team girl or team boy. Tyler, what kind of baby you want in Mama's stomach? Boy or girl?
A boy.
Yeah, you want a boy. So you want a baby brother? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see if Tyler going to get his wish. I'm almost sure he's gonna get his wish. Yes, Ty?
Can you buy it for me?
Buy what for you?
The baby brother.
You want me to buy the baby brother for you?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna buy it. Mama have it in her stomach.
You have a sister too?
If I have a sister too?
Yeah.
No, it's just one, but we're not sure which one it is as yet. We're gonna find out soon. You want us to find out soon and tell you?
Yeah.
You're gonna be excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, when we find out, we'll let you know, okay?
Okay.
He's just so excited about this baby, you guys. He's so excited about this baby. He's more excited than me and babe. Anyway, you guys, that's the little prego update for today. I don't know if I'm just going to make these pregnancy update one vlog, or I'm going to insert them throughout the vlogs as we go along. But whichever way, you guys will get them and you guys will see them. And yeah, I hope you guys are all happy now that I'm talking about this pregnancy, because it's been one hella hard pregnancy to hide from you guys. Anyway, you guys, thank you guys for all the continued love and support and all the messages and everything that I'll be getting, because I know it's gonna come. Anyway, you guys, that's it for the Pregos update. That's it for the Prego update from the Prego mama. And baby D is doing well, which is most important. So this Prego journey continue. Baby number 2 after miscarriage. Rainbow baby is on its way, shawty. So I forget to show you guys the pictures that I got from the doctor today. So that's baby. You can clearly see hands, feet, everything. There we go. That's baby. Let me show you another picture. There you go. Baby's there.
Mama,
Baby's there doing well. Yes.
and you show me now.
What you want me to show you?
The baby, and then not the baby's growing.
You want to show the baby growing?
Yeah.
That's it. It's that one. That's the baby. Okay?
Okay.
That's the baby. That's how it look in mama's stomach now. So it's gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger, and then it's gonna be born, and you're gonna get to hold him.
And let's see this.
What you gonna do?
This water, he goes see this right here in
He's-
my pocket.
You're gonna put him in your pocket? You're gonna put him in your pocket?
Yeah,
No, you can't put him in your pocket.
because I need to put it.
He have to stay in his bed. Right?
Oh, in my bed.
You're gonna put him in your bed?
Yeah.
You're gonna let him sleep with you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna take care of him in the night?
Yeah.
And when he wants milk in the night and crying, what do you do?
Wow.
What you gonna do?
To see the
You're gonna give him your titty?
No.
What you gonna do?
Sit in dirty diaper.
You're gonna change his dirty diaper? Oh, sweet boy. Mama can't wait for you to be a big brother.